Last Tuesday, my friends Michaela and Olivia asked me if I wanted to go hiking on Columbus Day. Of course I wanted to go hiking. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I really wanted to get out of the city. I went on Google and searched waterfall hikes near Boston, and the first trail that popped up was a place in New Hampshire called the Purgatory Falls. It was an hour and a half away, and it was perfect. Patrick got here first, followed by Gabe and Steve, and then Michaela and Olivia showed up. After some startup problems with the zip car, we were finally on our way to Purgatory Falls.
To the jungle. I found my way back to the jungle again. I found my way back to the jungle. I found my way back to the jungle again. And I took this thing that this girl gave me. Now I'm lost. Now I'm lost. And I took.
Alright, we just got to our final destination. Look how insane that looks. This is crazy. Steve, isn't this dope?
This is incredible. I mean,
dude, we're just gonna like,
and this place is fucking amazing.
Like New Hampshire. I love it.
Hey, put the vlog on me.
Put the vlog on you.
Hey everyone, how long till Eliot puts this on private too?
Come on, Steve.
Fuck off.
Steve is so Stevie. What's up, Sauce Gang? This is awesome. We don't have stuff like this in California, like where I'm from at least. But we literally drove for like an hour and a half, and we're in like the dead woods. It's insane. Gabe and Steve are out there. Honestly. And then we split the zip car, and it was literally like $11 per person. And so it's insane. It's like insanely beautiful right now. We're looking for the falls, the actual falls itself, the reason why we're here. And we're just, you know, following like a path to get there, hopefully. Hopefully we don't get lost.
1 mile to the water. The signs don't lie. There you go, trying to find a way. The sun's heat is blinding you. It hypnotizes the baby. You want you wait in the water. There's no trace of the other. Baby, you want you run in the water.
Alright, so here's an update. We're here, we've been here for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Patrick's actually gonna go down there and swim. But yeah, we've just been like getting B-roll, just like taking it all in. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some more footage. Steve,
Yeah,
how do you feel?
this is amazing.
Right? Dude, well worth $11.
Absolutely.
Dude, this is awesome. Thank God for zip cars.
What? This is a vlog or picture.
This is a vlog.
Okay.
Can you just say hello?
Hey,
What's up?
I have soggy feet, but I didn't find a dog. Is it really zoomed in on me?
No.
Okay.
Yo, alright, so there's a dog over there. I'm gonna go find it. Steve's out here with this massive lens just shooting. Patrick, who's down here. I got Sauce and Nom right there. What's up, bro? Yeah, yo, let's go take some photos.
Yeah, let's get it.
Alright, so also I brought a red smoke bomb for like photos and stuff. So we're gonna do that here. It's gonna be really cool. You good?
Look at that. Oh, that's prettier than actually what we're looking at. True. It's never a flattering angle in the vlog, is it?
Say hello. Wait, you said hello 20 times.
so cold like snowfall before the spring. You're like the winter You're everything to me.
All right, we're done here. We're going back. Dude, that's a big apple. Oh, New York. New York's like the worst city ever.
Think different.
Oh,
I'm from New York.
I kept you warm.
Baby, I'm on page 1. I don't wanna have to save you. Never needed nothing from you. Baby, you're dreaming about
Yo, we made it.
I'm fucking starving.
We made it to the best place on earth. We made it to Chick-fil-A. But we're gonna hit up Chick-fil-A first, and then we're gonna head home.
And just like that, we were back in Boston. And that is how you spend a free day with some of your best friends.